Okay, children.
Morning, sir.
Good morning,
Morning,
everybody.
sir.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, just today we'll keep on practicing. So, you know all the syllabus, everything you know. What is the question pattern? What is the marks scheme and all syllabus
Yes,
scheme?
sir.
Yeah, yes. I think I have
Yes, sir.
explained earlier also. Again, I will tell you. 40% from present week. Okay, children,
Yes, sir.
and 40% previous week. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
20% will cumulative. Cumulative means old syllabus from right from the beginning. Right
Yes,
from
sir.
the beginning, they have
Yes, sir.
they can ask any question from any part of the syllabus. But okay, 40% from the present week, that is mole concept, whatever the things, and 40% from the previous week means chemical bonding. Okay, and 20% from
Yes,
any
sir.
side, periodic table or that electronic configuration or anything. So see, maintain silence, otherwise I have to mute. Those who are having some noise, no, they mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, children. So and please watch all lectures today, okay, so that you can get well, means good preparation for your exam. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. So this we were discussing some points. Okay, so these are regarding boiling point and how this hydrogen bonding affects. So okay, we'll just let me know. Okay, suppose this type of molecules are there. Okay, SiH4, okay, then PH3, then H2S and HCl. Okay, if somebody asks you which one is having suppose highest boiling point, then what you are going to do? Then what you are going to do? So you know HCl. Anybody is having hydrogen bonding? No. Among these, nobody is having higher means hydrogen bonding. You know about hydrogen bonding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so HCl is having 189 Kelvin, children. HCl. Okay, and H2S. Do you know the boiling point of H2S?
No, sir.
200, 213. 213. Okay, do you know the boiling point of PH3? Boiling point of PH3. 185.5. 185.5. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
So these are the things. Nobody is having hydrogen bonding. Then can you tell me which one is the having highest boiling point?
SO3 is 2S.
Maybe HCl.
Uh, HCl is having 189 Kelvin, children, okay? And H2S is having 213 Kelvin. PS3 is having 185.5. Okay, so, and this is a group number 14. Okay, children. So SiS4, I know this is less than among all. Then tell me which should be having highest boiling point.
H2S.
H2S. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyhow, suppose the question is, just see, can you make it out or not? CS3O CS3. Have you seen this such type of molecule? OH. Okay. Suppose somebody gave you this set, okay, and asked you which one is not having hydrogen bonding. Suppose. So you know what is the criteria of hydrogen bonding, children? HF bond should be present, or HO bond should be present, or HN bond should be present
Yes, sir.
for hydrogen bonding. This is the requirement for hydrogen bonding. Only three
Yes,
requirements.
sir.
So tell me, where is the possibility of hydrogen bonding? Is this molecule is having possibility of hydrogen bonding? Shall I show the clear structure to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the clear structure is CH3. You know from chemical bonding that carbon is forming 4 bonds like this. Now see the molecule. Any possibility of hydrogen bonding? Any HO bond is there?
No, sir.
How you can say that no? How you can
No,
say
sir.
no?
No, sir.
How you can say no? See,
I
don't you find
mistakenly
that
I told
one
that.
OH bond is there?
Yes, sir.
So doesn't it matching with this HO?
Yes, sir.
It means possibility of hydrogen bonding is there.
Yes, sir.
Any hydrogen bonding possibility here? CS3 NH2?
Then hard one.
Any possibility of hydrogen bonding in this amine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. See, NH bond is there, no?
Yes, sir.
So possibility of hydrogen bonding. See this molecule? This is known as acetic acid.
Yes, sir.
This is the structure. Any possibility of hydrogen bonding?
No, sir. Possible hydrogen bonding.
Hydrogen bonding is possible. Okay. So here is also possibility. Here is also possibility. Any possibility here, children?
No, sir.
There is no possibility. Okay.
Yes,
O
sir.
is there. O is there, but O is not linked with hydrogen. O is not linked with hydrogen, children. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So there is no possibility. No possibility. So in this molecule, no possible hydrogen bonding. But this is possible. This is possible. This is possible. So according to the question, we can say that what they are asking. That hydrogen bonding is present or hydrogen bonding is not present. So I think now you can make it out.
Yes,
Remaining
sir.
student, okay, some students.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. So, shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. So, previous question was that can you make out that hydrogen bonding is present or not? So, you should know the criteria of hydrogen bonding. Okay, you should know the criteria of hydrogen bonding, where hydrogen bonding will develop. The hydrogen bonding will develop only that condition where hydrogen is bonded with either with fluorine or oxygen or nitrogen. Only three
Nitrogen.
condition. Only three condition is there for development of hydrogen bonding, children. And you know,
Yes, sir.
hydrogen bondings are of two types. Hydrogen bondings are of two types:
Two types.
intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So, if intermolecular hydrogen bonding is there, boiling point will increase. If intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there, boiling point will decrease, children. Okay?
Different. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, right. So, the next one is, suppose somebody asks you, somebody may ask you NH3, okay, HCl, HI, H2O, then CH3, CH2OH, and then sixth one is PH3. Suppose, now tell me, in which hydrogen bonding is present and which the hydrogen bondings are not present. Amma, chala do.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in first one, hydrogen bond
The
is present.
Present.
Yes,
Yes,
in
and first one,
yeah,
hydrogen bonding.
First, fourth,
First,
and
fourth, and
Fourth
fifth.
one,
yeah,
H2O.
hydrogen bonding is present. Hydrogen bonding is not present. Hydrogen bonding is not present. Hydrogen bonding is present. Okay.
Present.
Present.
Hydrogen bonding,
Is present.
hydrogen
Present.
bonding.
absent.
Not present.
Not present.
Not present.
So you can do like this, because hydrogen bonding you have to see H should be bonded with either fluorine, either oxygen,
Or oxygen or
Nitrogen
nitrogen.
or
Or
nitrogen.
nitrogen.
otherwise hydrogen bonding will not place. Then instead of hydrogen bonding, any other thing is there, then dipole moment, the dipole polarity may be developed, dipole attraction. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but
Okay.
specifically,
Yes, sir.
but specifically for hydrogen bonding, such type of bonding must be present. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, do you know, children, chelation? Have you ever heard about chelation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
I will tell you. I will tell you. You know the meaning of chelation, but you don't know the, okay, this is the term. Ring formation. Do you know ring?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
ring means round, means a round structure. Okay. See, chelation. Chelation means ring formation. Chelation means ring formation. Standard name for ring formation. Okay. So, suppose I gave you one example earlier also. You might not have remembered. See, this is suppose OH, and this is nitro group. So see,
Yes,
a small hydrogen
Yes, sir.
bonding is taking place between this. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, this is negative, this is positive. This is negative, this is positive. So what is happening? See, a kind of ring is formed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is known as that in this molecule chelation is taking place. Chelation. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we'll discuss more about chelation today. Just a kind of introduction. Okay, lot of things has to be done for chelation. Okay. So now, suppose if I give you some molecules, then you have to find out. That in which molecule chelation is taking place or not. Okay. Chelation means ring formation, and ring formation means you have to find out hydrogen bonding is taking place or not. See, I am giving you some molecule, just you find out. Suppose I have given one molecule. One molecule is there, children. Do you know this is benzene ring? Okay. Suppose this is the molecule. Any problem, please ask me. Okay. One more structure is there. Please control noise. Okay. Such type of molecule is given to you. Okay. Now, tell me, in out of this, where chelation can take place? Is audio is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And screen is also clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, now tell me, out of this, how many of them are having possibility of chelation, ring formation? Ring formation means you have to find out intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So see, this is the molecule, and they are in opposite position, both the groups. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one polarity is there. OH bond is there, children. Negative and positive. Here is also negative. Okay, and negative, and here we can say some positive part is there, children. But they cannot join because they are in just opposite side. These groups.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
here,
sir.
this is negative. Okay, this is negative, and this is positive. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
So this molecule can convert like this. This molecule can convert like this. C double bond OH. Okay, and N double bond O. Like this. So some possibility is there, children. Some possibility is there of attraction between these two atoms. Okay, children?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
So a kind of ring can be formed here, and same thing can be happen over here. Okay, children.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
This is the negative part. This is the positive part. So don't think that they are far away. They can attract to each other. A ring can be formed.
Yes, sir.
If any problem, just you redraw the structure. See, like this. According to the, just you try to join them. If by means simply drawing the structure again. So see, possibility is there or not?
Yes, sir.
So a ring is formed.
Yes, sir.
Here also, because this is having positive charge and oxygen is having negative charge. Small intramolecular hydrogen bonding is taking place. So a kind of ring is taking place. Ring formation. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So accordingly, you can say that. So if they are nearby, 1 and 2, and some possibility of hydrogen bonding, so they can form ring, children. They can form ring. Not only hydrogen bonding, any attraction, dipole attraction is also there. So they can interact with each other, and a slight ring formation can take place. It's known as
Yes,
chelation.
sir.
Okay, next. Have you noted down, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I am giving you okay. I am giving you one more concepts and molecular formula. Now you everything you have to do your own. You have to come to the conclusion your own. If not, then I will help you. Okay. If not, then I will help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Suppose I gave you one molecule, children. Suppose this is the molecule C6H4. Okay. NO2 OH, like this is the molecule, children. Now tell me, okay, how many molecules you can draw, and out of that, which one will have highest boiling point and which one will having lowest boiling point? Come on, draw it. Come on, draw it. Only 30 seconds I will give because we don't have much time.
So
30 seconds. See, children, whenever you find out C6H6 means it is a benzene ring. Okay, children,
Yes, sir.
you know benzene ring?
No,
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 sir.
sir.
No idea? Okay. See, we
No,
can draw
sir.
this structure like this. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. And this is, I think you have seen, just I have written in shortcut. That's why you have not understand. So see, this molecule is known as benzene, children. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But benzene is written in this form because this double bond is keep on changing their position. So delocalization and so many things are there anyhow. So we are not today. We are not in that condition. We'll discuss later on for benzene. But today I am telling you that if C6H6 is written, then you can think that this is the molecule. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this molecule is written in short like this. Okay, what is this? This is zero. This is oxygen or nitrogen?
Oxygen.
No, it is neither oxygen nor neither nitrogen. Okay,
What is that, sir?
so what
Then?
is that means? See, I am writing in shortcut. Did you understand, children? I told you that if a molecule can have more than one structure, then these are there we can say that resonance is going on.
Yes, sir.
One fine day I think I have discussed with you.
Yes, sir. You have
Yes,
discussed
sir.
resonance.
Then see, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also correct. This is also correct. Then if more structures are developed for same molecule, then what will say? That bond order is okay. The bond order is like this. I think I have told you one time. Didn't you remember? Like ozone, I told you, no?
Yes, sir. Dot.
So what is the bond order over here? So one sigma bond is compulsory. Okay, but one pi
Yes, sir.
bond, yeah. So pi bond. That's why. Did you remember we used to draw ozone structure like this? Dot 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 dot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way we can write the benzene structures. This is the formula is C6H6. Got my point, remaining participants?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So now,
sir.
see. So don't you see that two groups are there, OH and NO2. So that's why two hydrogens are removed from here, two hydrogens. That's why C6H6 became C6H4. Did you
Yes,
understand,
sir.
children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and instead of that H, two another groups came. So I want to know that how many structures how many molecules can you draw from this molecular formula? My main question is this only. So try your own. Try your own. So see, shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, I can draw like this. First of all, I will draw benzene like this. I will draw benzene like this. Okay, like this. See now what can I do? Suppose this is nitro group. Okay, children, and this is OH group. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Next thing what I can do is N double bond O, and I can keep that OH group here. Next what I can do is N double bond O, and I can put that OH group over here. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's actually this molecule is known as phenol. Phenol. So all are phenol, children. All are phenol. Okay. So this is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here nitrogen nitro group is in 4th carbon. Okay.
Yes,
Here
Yes,
see
sir.
1, 2, 3. Nitro group is in 3rd position, and here this is 1 and 2. Nitro group is in second position. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
yes,
So yeah, 1, 2, 2 nitrophenol. We can say like this: 2 nitrophenol. Here we can say 3 nitrophenol. Here we can say 4 nitrophenol. Now tell me where is the possibility of intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Where is the possibility of intermolecular
Sir,
hydrogen
second
bonding?
and sir, first and second.
Yeah. First, more chance is in first only. Okay.
Yes, sir. First.
Second chance is in less
Second.
chance. That second one. And in the third one, suppose this
Less
is
chance.
first, this is second, and this is third. Here, attraction force will develop between here particles. So same, and one end of this and another end of this of same molecule. So this type of bonding is known as, children, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Did you remember, children?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. And here intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be formed. Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now among these, tell me which one will be having highest boiling point? Those who is having intermolecular hydrogen bonding.
The first one.
First one. Which one is having lowest boiling point?
The third one.
Third one. Now I think you got the point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Then note it down. Have you noted down?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, note it down. Shall I move forward?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh, keep on telling me that yes, I have completed written work. Okay. Uh, see, I will give you some molecule. You have to find out that where is hydrogen bonding can take place, especially intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular H bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Inter means between two molecules, not in same molecule. So I will give you some molecule and tell me where intermolecular can take place. Any problem, please discuss with me. Any problem, okay? Tell me, where is the possibility of intermolecular hydrogen bonding?
In fourth one.
Fourth one only,
Fourth
because
and
these are
third.
these
Yes,
are
sir.
in opposite condition, because
Yes,
they
sir.
are nearby. No, they are in nearby, so they will have attraction force among themselves. So intra is there. Yeah, in the
Yes,
fourth
sir.
only there is a possibility for some inter. Okay,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
did you understand? Inter means suppose this is the one molecule, so another molecule is like this. Now there is some attraction force between this part and this part. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay,
one
sir.
molecule is this, another molecule is this. So intermolecular. And here the attraction force is done in same molecule, same molecule. Okay, okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Please let me know. Okay. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir.
I am giving you some name. You have to draw the structures. Okay, I am giving you some name. Okay, write down ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. Ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. Draw the structure. Ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay. Meta hydroxy benzaldehyde. Para hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay. Right. Can you draw the structure or you need my help?
I need help.
Sir, help.
Okay. What is the need of help? See, you know benzene aldehyde.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See. Now you know this is benzene and this is aldehyde. Benzaldehyde completed. This much is completed.
Yes.
This position, children, this and this position is known as ortho. Did you remember? I told you once.
Yes, sir.
This is known as meta and this is known as para. Okay.
Para.
So now this one is telling orthohydroxy means here OH group is there. OH group is also known as hydroxy. So this is orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. So shall I remove this meta? I'm just showing the position. So this is known as, this complete molecule is known as benzaldehyde, children. Up to here. Up to here it is known as benzaldehyde. And 1 and 2. On second position OH group is there. So
Then
that second group is nearby group is known as ortho. Little bit far that is known as meta.
Meta.
More far is known as para.
para.
Okay, P for para, P for par means just par चला गया वो दूसरा ग्रुप. ओके, ठीक है. तो अब देखिए, और M फॉर मेटा होता है, M फॉर मिडिल याद रखना, मिडिल. P फॉर एकदम पार, उस पार. Okay.
Sir, that means opposite of ortho is para.
So this is benzaldehyde, and this is, if we write OH group here, this is known as beta.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yeah, if we write like this is benzaldehyde, and if we write OH here, this is known as para. Para hydroxybenzaldehyde, meta hydroxybenzaldehyde, okay? Ortho hydroxybenzaldehyde.
Okay, sir.
Now, if somebody asks among this, uh, which one is having high polarity? Which one is having high polarity? Which one is having high polarity? High polarity. So I explained, you know, polarity. Polarity. Just recall. Use your time. I am giving you 30 seconds. I am giving you 30 seconds.
So what is the question?
In which molecule high polarity is there?
I think oxohydroxyl benzaldehyde.
All are hydroxybenzaldehyde only. You need to know that, yeah. In which one?
Ortho, first one.
Para-hydroxybenzaldehyde.
Yeah, see the structure.
Yes, sir. Will form intermolecular hydrogen bonding.
This is benzaldehyde, and this is, suppose, okay, children. So this is positive part, and this is negative part. Okay.
Negative part. Yes, sir.
So some polarity is there in this bond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And some polarity is also here in this bond also. So all polarity is moving in one side only. Okay, children.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think more polarity is in. Para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
मॉर्निंग. मैं क्लास में जल्दी बोलो. ठीक ठीक है. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you came to know that yes, more possibilities here only in para. Less possibilities
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay.
So good night.
Yeah. As the angle will decrease. Okay. As the angle will decrease.
Polarity will
Yeah. The polarity chance may decrease. So here is the more polarity. Because two ends are there. Okay. Negative end and positive end. Okay.
Yes, sir.
regarding polarity. Any doubt, please WhatsApp me. I will clear your doubts. So you know that which one is more soluble in water. In water, which molecule is more soluble, polar or non-polar?
Polar.
If you don't have any idea, let me know. I will give you immediate relaxation. Immediate relaxation. Okay. So
Polar
remember
compound.
always,
Polar compound, sir.
like dissolves, like children, like dissolves like. So if water is polar, it will try to dissolve polar molecules only. So water is a
Yes,
polar molecule.
sir.
So out of this, did you find which is more polar?
The para.
Para. So
Para
para will have more tendency to dissolve in water because the law is there, like dissolves like. Did you understand,
Yes,
children?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So write down the next concept and let me know the timing also. Okay.
So 10:46.
46.
10:46.
4
10:46.
minutes
So
remaining, sir.
we can develop one more concept. Okay, the concept what you can try is okay. See, I'm giving you one question. Come on.
Sir, what you have written the second one?
Second one is just
Antimatter.
para hydroxybenzaldehyde, CHO, benzaldehyde. Okay, children. So you should know where is hydrogen bonding taking place or not, intermolecular, intramolecular. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just take an idea. Next one is write down the structure of benzaldehyde, children. Benzaldehyde, only benzaldehyde. Write down the structure of benzaldehyde. So I told you benzene.
A benzene and aldehyde on benzene.
This is known as benzene, children. Its formula is
Yes,
C6H6. This is benzene.
6H6.
Yeah, from today onwards you should know. This is which structure? This is hybrid structure, children. Hybrid.
Yes, sir.
And when a structure is drawn in a
Yes, sir.
hybrid way, it means it is having resonating structures.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next is, can you draw benzaldehyde? benzaldehyde. Benzene plus aldehyde, children. Benzene plus,
Yes, sir.
benzene plus
Yes, sir.
Kritika,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
any problem till now?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Benzaldehyde.
this will come in tomorrow.
I don't know, but just keep on practicing.
Yes.
Our duty is to learn more and more. Okay. We are learning for our purpose. Okay. So
Yes,
these are I told you what is the syllabus and everything in the earlier. Okay.
Yes, sir.
40% for the present week, 40% from the previous week, and 20% from the cumulative. Anyhow, so such type of molecules may come. That's why just I am telling you. See, this is benzene.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is hybrid structure of benzene. Okay. So can you write benzaldehyde? So yes.
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, you
Yes,
draw
sir.
this and
Aldehyde and benzene.
C double bond OH. This is benzaldehyde.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Yeah, means we have to draw the benzene and COOH. Benzoic acid. Okay, children.
OH.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
this COH we can
Okay.
put anywhere in this six.
Sir, this one.
Tell me, beta.
Sir, this one रहेगा वो benzoic acid.
Already here is this benzoic acid. Okay. Can you draw phenol?
Phenol.
Can you draw phenol? Yes. When
Yes,
there is a benzene
Yes,
ring,
sir.
and if one OH group is there, this is
OH
known as phenol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this? So in benzene ring, amine group is introduced. Okay. So in 10th, you might have heard about amine, alcohol,
Yes, sir.
aldehyde, carboxylic
Yes,
acid.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you all know the number of bonds can be formed by nitrogen. Where is the possibility of hydrogen bonding?
Yes.
Hydrogen bondings, intramolecular, intermolecular. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like this. Okay. Next is, and today please attend the evening classes also so that we can do a lot of discussion.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So evening class 3 o'clock today will be there.
Yeah. And please
From
try
3
to score
o'clock to
more and
5
more marks so that you can put forward the name
Sir,
of
for
your
PCB,
branch.
sir,
Yes.
For 4 p.m.
sir, for PCB, 4 p.m. now.
Yes.
Yeah, 4 p.m. If you have chance, if you don't have any another class, you can join at 3 also.
Okay, sir.
And I will upload everything. You can listen every lecture. I am uploading every day. I
Sir,
think
I attend 3.
you are attending. Hello. Hello.
Sir, I will attend 4.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
So-
it's 10:52.
Oh, okay. Then what I'm telling is, okay, bye-bye. Keep your,
Bye, sir.
by scoring good marks, you can keep your name and fame of your branch, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
because see, along with your studies, so many people's emotions are related, okay? So
Yes,
behind the screen also so many people are working a lot. They are working hard. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So and
Yes, sir.
everybody finally what they want marks.
Yes, sir.
So if
Good
you
marks.
get good marks, then your branch people will feel very nice. Try to understand.
Yes,
And
sir.
yeah, in the coming time, the branch AGM sir, DGM sir, principal sir, your mentor, everybody will feel nice. Then lot of distribution of gifts and everything is coming. So they will distribute. So first you get good marks first of all, and put up the name of your branch. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, right. So today I'm ending the class. We'll meet at next class. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you,